Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Fundamentals Self-Round-1 Assignment-9, and today I'm going to discuss about the following three questions. So, which external plugin is recommended by Unity itself to overcome Unity's UI disadvantages? Second is, which are the two default game objects created by Unity when you create any UI game object? And third is, what is a canvas and a canvas group, and what is the use of canvas group? So coming to the first question, while Unity UI system is widely used and is versatile, it does have some limitations and disadvantages. So Unity recommends external plugins to overcome its disadvantages. One such plugin is TextMesh Pro, which Unity recommends over the default text component in Unity UI system, as it provides advanced text rendering, styling options, allowing for more precise control over the text elements in Unity UI. Second question is, which are the two default game objects created by Unity when you create any UI object? So the two default game objects that are created are, number one is canvas and number two is an event system. The third question is, what is a canvas and canvas group, and what is the use of a canvas group? So canvas is a component that serves as a container for all UI elements in a scene. It acts as a flat surface on which UI elements are rendered and provides us a coordinate system for positioning and scaling those elements. So canvas determines how the UI elements are displayed and interacted within the game. On the other hand, a canvas group is a component that can be attached to a canvas or any UI element with a graphic component such as image or a text within the canvas. So canvas group allows you more precise allows you to more control the visibility, interactability, and transparency of UI elements of the group. So uses of canvas group component are, number one is visibility control. So canvas group allows you to control the visibility of UI elements by adjusting the alpha value of property of canvas group. Second is interactability control. So canvas group can also be used to control the interactability of UI elements. By disabling the interactability property of canvas group, you can prevent the interaction with UI elements, such as disabling buttons or button clicks or input events. Third is block raycast. So canvas group has a block raycast property, which determines whether the UI element should block the raycast from reaching the objects underneath them. So when the property is enabled, the UI elements within the canvas group will block the raycasts, preventing interactions with objects behind them. So when I select the property, then I cannot interact with the objects behind my particular game object or UI object. So fourth is ignore parent groups. So this property of canvas groups allows you to control how the parent canvas groups affect the visibility and interactability of UI elements. So canvas group is useful when you want to apply these controls or behaviors to group of UI elements collectively. For example, you can use to create pop-up windows or interactable menus where you can need to control the visibility and interactability of multiple UI elements as a single unit. So let's also see examples of all these questions as well. So this is my UI and canvas and event system, which I created when I created TextMesh Pro. So there is a TextMesh Pro and there is a default text. So default text is black and red is TextMesh Pro. So when let's see the advantages. So first is the vast amount of options that TextMesh Pro provides us, as you can see over here, and there are limited options in text property or text component. Second is when I just change the width of the text mesh pro to 150, it will wrap my text to down and it doesn't cut my text in between. but when I just change the width, it will just cut my text and only show me the text which is available in that particular width. The third is when I go to the scene view and when I zoom in my text, it will just become blurry and pixelated. So this uh, will affect in our games with when we play on small screen size. But this is not the case for Text Mesh Pro. As you can see over here, it doesn't become pixelated or blurry at all. So we can also see the second thing over here about canvas scripts as well. I've attached this canvas script to Text Mesh Pro as well, so I could adjust the alpha value of this text like this. I could change the interactable. Suppose this is a button and I just uncheck that, so I won't be able to interact with it anymore if it was a button. Then third is block breakcast. So anything that I cannot interact with anything behind this text if there was any game object such. And fourth is ignore parent group. So if there was a parent group and if I want to change the text option, so let's uh, the parent group won't affect the properties of this text mesh pro if this ignore parent group option is enabled. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.